Hello everyone and welcome to your income website. Today we will be going through the steps of creating an API key. Before we get started, let's go through a couple of frequently asked questions. First, what is Google API? Google API stands for Application Program Interfaces. It is a key that is implemented to your website to allow clients visiting to search all over the province or state as a map view. Second, will I be charged for this? No, you will not be charged. Google provides $200 of credits per month, and our clients typically use up to $85. The reason you will need a credit card is that Google requires this as a form of identification. Great, now that we've gone through some questions, let's get started. First, you're going to head to cloud.google.com as you see here. Once you're on the home page, you will ensure that you log in to your Gmail account. Now note, we do recommend that you do use an individual Gmail account, as when you do use a business Gmail account, it may run into some issues along the way. So to avoid that, we do always recommend you use an individual Gmail account. Once you are logged in, you will see Get Started for Free, and you will click on that. Once you click on that, it will lead you to the first step, which is confirming your country, and the second drop down, scroll all the way down and click Other, Agree Terms of Services, and click Continue. Second, it will ask you for your phone number as it will send you a verification code to confirm your identity. Once you do that, it will lead you to the third step, which is account type, and you're going to want to click Individual. Once you click Individual, you will enter in your home address as it is an individual account. Once you do that, you scroll down to Payment Method and enter in the credit card that you would like to use. Again, there will be no charge to you when implementing your credit card. It is just to identify you. And one thing to note when entering in your credit card is that you want to make sure that the cardholder name is exactly as it is appearing on your credit card. Once you confirm all this information, click Start for Free. It will set up your billing and you will see this pop-up here. This pop-up, you're going to click the same things here. You're going to click Please Select and drop down to Other, Next, Other, Next, scroll down, Other, and click Done. This will then pop up here for you. You can just click Skip for Now on the right corner. Once that does occur, you're going to see your project name that says My First Project. From here, you're going to go to your menu bar, which is this little hamburger, and go to API and Services. From here, you will go to Library. Now, once you head to Library, you're going to want to keep in mind there are 4 things that we are going to enable. The first you will see is Maps JavaScript API. Click on that, and then click Enable. Once you click Enable, it'll redirect you. And when it does redirect you, you will see a section called Additional APIs. Under this section, you are just going to go to Geocoding API. Now, it does not matter what order you go to, just keep in mind the 4 keys that we are going to unlock here. So click Enable for each in order to have them unlocked. Great. Now the third one will be Maps Static API. Enable that. And lastly, we're going to do Places API. Enable that. Taking a minute here. Great. Once you have all four, you just want to confirm. You're going to go back to the hamburger button here and click back to API and Services and go to Credentials. On this page, you're going to see Create Credentials. Click on that and click on API Key. You'll see a key that will generate like this. You can click on this Copy to Clipboard button and close this. Now, before we go back to your website, let's go back to the menu here. Go to your billing. Once we are on the billing page, you will see Billing Account Overview, and you will just scroll down here under Free Trial Credit and click on Upgrade. This will activate the credits that Google provides you. And before exiting out, just keep in mind under Payment Overview, you will see the credit card that we have put on, and make sure that the expiry date is noted somewhere so that once it does expire, you are able to update that credit card so that your key will continue to work. Now that that's all done, we're at the very last step. So we're going to head to your website and your dashboard. So let me just scroll down here and log in. Once you log in and you're on your dashboard, you're going to take that copy that you just did of the API key. Now, more than likely, it will pop up like this, and you will just enter it here and click Done. But if it does not, you may also go to Configuration, Google API key, and paste that key that we put in. You click Save, and you will see this message here that says your Google Map API key has successfully been saved. Now you're good to go, and I would recommend to go to your home page, type in your local city, and see if it will generate it. Once that is done, you are good to go, and your map will be working just fine. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to help out.